So let's go to our destination. We are going to pick some blueberries in the woods. So let's drive all the way to Kalahal. Kalahal is a nearby forest that is rich of a lot of mushrooms and blueberries. So we have to drive all the way there, and I think it will take only like 5 to 10 minutes drive, probably 5 minutes drive to the forest. So hope you enjoy joyride this time and enjoy the sceneries where a lot of trees, since we are going to the forest, so it's a lot of trees around. And this is what I like here in Sweden, because even in the cities they have a lot of trees too. They like to plant a lot of trees for good oxygen for the people. So as you can read into the newspaper, Sweden is one of the cleanest country in Europe, because we have this rich of trees everywhere around the whole Sweden. We are protected. So we are nearby to the place. So hope you liked it and enjoy the rest of the vlog. See, we did the car parking. We arrived at the area now where I have my favorite place. You can go walk down the lake there. There's a lake down there. So where the horses, and they have a bee. It is summer camp there. So we can go there later after we pick some blueberries. So let's pick some blueberries. All you need to do is you have your liters, and this where you can pick the strawberries. So, let's start. I hope it's yeah, I think they have a lot of strawberries now. Blueberries, I mean blueberries, guys. It's blueberries, not strawberries. It's blueberry. So we will pick them. Blueberries are very you just have to pick it by yourselves and into the woods, and there you go. You can have your blueberries jam, blueberries ice cream, blueberries cake, and etc, etc. So it's very really, they have this free to pick some blueberries, and if there is a cantarell, the Swedish mushrooms here during the fall, so you can pick. So as you can see, the blueberries bushes are not that big, they are just this, I know, it's not that high because this is a Swedish one, so we can pick it there. So let's start doing it. And we have a sample. Okay, you have to do it like this, and then you have to pick by using this machine. Otherwise, it's going to be faster if you just pick it in with your bare hands. You can do it also, but I rather have this, so it's easy for me and it's faster. So let's check how many. So let's check, guys. So we have to remove. The some leaves on. We don't have leaves in our litters, right? So we can have like this. Libre ano. We just have to remove. Makita niyo siya. So, there you go. Fresh one. Fresh blueberries. Yummy. So let's continue. Let's do the picking. So today's guys.